This is a collection containing 30 highly detailed 3D models of fences. All models are prepared to easily connect with each other. Great for your exterior visualization projects. Models are mapped and have materials and textures. Compatible with 3ds Max 2010 and higher. Universe 6 adds one new transition tool, one new blur tool, and two new stylization tools, providing many new options to be creative and enhance your project in interesting ways. Combined with over 70 new presets, Universe 6 helps artists to get great results quickly in a fun and intuitive way. An absolutely massive low-poly asset pack to build your dream game. No need to scour the store looking for packs that match. This is possibly the biggest, most comprehensive asset pack ever released on the store. Over 1,800 detailed prefabs are included with this pack. Modular sections are easy to piece together in a variety of combinations. In this course we will teach you everything you need to know in order to get started using Blender, a powerful, versatile, and, best of all, free software that can allow you to fully create 3D objects, scenes, and even characters. This course will cover Blender from an absolute beginner's perspective, showing you how to download and run the program, the basics of 3D space, modeling, sculpting, texturing, and lighting. By the end of the course, you will be able to bring your ideas from concept all the way to a finished and finalized model ready to be integrated into any game engine or animation. The only limit to what you can build is your imagination. Create scenes very fast in Eevee with proper light and materials. New and modular assets. Make a production in no time. Block your scene, pimp it up, give it light, add material, and render in 5 frames a second. The only product that cares about probes, render settings, and light settings for Eevee. Intuitive workflow, active development, active community, it's alive. Reliability. Eevee renders fast, but who takes care of the proper render settings, contact shadow, biases, light, and probe settings? The Eevee production suite does. This suite is the only of its kind that is specialized in Eevee. There are other tools out there for lighting and materials, but this suite is the only one that really cares about Eevee. Without precautions, there are many problems rendering animations in Eevee, like light leaks, self-shadowing, and screen space artifacts. Explore your most complex 3D production scenes ray-traced in real time. With Chaos Registered Vantage, there are no time-consuming conversions. Simply drag and drop your complete V-Ray scene into Vantage and start exploring. There's also a direct live link available from 3ds Max, SketchUp, and Rhino, so you can use it just like a viewport. Chaos Vantage requires an NVIDIA RTX series GPU. The world's finest CRT emulation plugin for After Effects CC. Get the coveted CRT effect with the click of a button. Our CRT emulator gets the need for a bulky, tedious setup out of the way and gives you complete control of every individual element of the CRT look. In advanced texturing in Substance Painter, you will learn how to create well-organized, high-quality advanced textures using Substance Painter and how to render assets, along with their textures using Blender and Cycles. Learn how to prepare an asset for baking and how to create a quick and perfect bake using Substance Painter. You'll also learn how to create flexible smart materials, how to create hyper-realistic rust and dirt, and how to manage correct material response on your textures. In Blender you'll learn how to set up a render scene, adding materials to your models and adding a custom sky HDRI along with sky and area lights. And how to set up and save a final render image. Forester is a plugin for Maxon Cinema 4D that provides tools for the creation of natural elements such as trees, plants, rocks, as well as their geological distribution over polygonal terrain. Forester is comprised of 4 modules, namely Forester Trees, Multiflora, Multicloner and Forester Rock. Forester is one of the best and most successful Cinema 4D plugins because it offers a completely procedural solution to environment creation all within the familiar Cinema 4D workspace. ReDeform is a unique 3ds Max plugin for dynamic resizing and rescaling objects in real-world units. Create parametric models in seconds. Change size in the viewport with fewer clicks. Uniform dimensions. Scale precisely to world units. Exposure is the image editor designed for the art of photography. The new Exposure X7 combines professional-grade photo adjustments, a huge library of gorgeous photo looks, and an efficient design that is a joy to use. Gorgeous color adjustments, sharpening, and noise reduction using the latest advanced image processing techniques. Our huge library of presets contains hundreds of realistic film simulations, subtle modern looks, and time-saving utilities.